Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Modo,
Oh, yeah, how are you?
yeah, how are you?
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, more bro. You can say yeah,
Mm,
bro. I'm good. You can say yeah, bro. Okay.
pro.
And
Okay.
we have also short answers fint, bro. That also
Mm,
means good. The chapter two from the book that deals just there's only one question that is for Mordo. So you can go through this chapter, and if you have any question, you can ask me. Okay.
okay.
So we will start the pronunciation exercise. Uh,
Mm,
we will solve few more pronunciation exercises, as we have
okay.
done one lesson on pronunciation. So the same rules we will apply that we have mentioned in the lesson here. Just try to, improve our pronunciation. So in
Mm,
this exercise, we will deal about vowels. In the coming exercises, we might deal more, you know, uh, exercises about vowels and consonants. Okay.
okay.
So vowels length is very important in Swedish pronunciation. Short
Mm,
vowels are very short, long vowels are very long, So,
okay.
so using the wrong vowel length when pronouncing a word can lead to misunderstanding. So
Okay.
means here we have placed a dash under the long vowels and dots under the short vowels. Normally we do not use these marks in text in Swedish language, but here we have used just to get a better understanding. Okay, so here you have
Okay.
a normal text tal, and here I have underlined, so that becomes tal, means I have a long vowel. So for long vowel we have to used a dash line tal. Next we have tal. So means it is a short vowel here with dots. Reek, reek means rich, risk. So this is a short vowel. Okay.
Okay.
Reek means we are going to prolong it, and we have learned the rule also that if our vowel is followed by one consonant, then it will be long. Okay. For example, in this case and in this case. Okay. And
Mm,
if it is followed by two consonants, then it will be short. Okay. For example, here is
okay.
risk and here is reek. I mean, this is a more long than this one. This is a short one. Okay. So these words that mention these examples have only one vowel, but many words have more than one vowel. Which creates more difficulty in Swedish. We call it a stress. So stress
Mm,
means that you say one part of the word with more emphasis than the rest. For example, you have a word and you have to stress on just one vowel. So in this situation, we have only one vowel. Either it can be long or short. So there is no connection. There is a connection between stress and length in Swedish. For example, stress vowel may be either long or short. For example, here you have this is a stress, but this is a long vowel, and this is also stress, but this is a short vowel. Okay, tal, tal. This
mm,
is tal, and unstressed vowel is always short. That we have to remember. Means here we have technically only one vowel in all four examples, and they are stressed. Either they are long or short. But if you have more than one vowel in a word, and we have to stress only one vowel, that stress vowel can be long or can be short. But the other vowels, they are unstressed and they will be considered as a short vowels, mean their sounds will be short. Okay.
Okay.
So this means that we can use marks for long and short vowels to share where word is stressed, as we have used, this marks we have used in this exercise to check that which vowel is long or which one is short. So if a vowel is not marked, it is unstressed and short, that we have seen here. So normally one and only one vowel is stressed in a word. Means a word can have more than one vowel. So normally we stress only on one vowel in this in a. So here we can check few more examples. Some examples are words with stress on the first vowel. So there are means few cases where stress can be on the last vowel also. So can check. First one is vila. Vila. This is a long. It has a dash underline. Rest. Vila. And this is villa. Villa. That means house. So that is a short vowel here. Sealer. Strainers. And that becomes sealer. Hearings. Sealer. And this is sealer. Here are few words which with the stress not on the first vowel. So means stress is on the last vowel here, or maybe the in between. For example, magazine. We have here magazine. Stress is on the last vowel here. Packet. Packet. Stress is here. Both are long. Betuna means stress. For shock. To cry. This is stress is here. We need to prolong it. Theater. Theater. So here the next three we have these are short vowels. They are stressed here. Bihola, tablet, metal means metal. So if you just focus on these examples, this one is followed by one consonant. This one is followed by one consonant. This one is followed by one consonant, and this one, and even here this one. So means somehow they follow that rule that we learn that if a vowel followed by one consonant, we have to prolong it. And if it is followed by two consonants, like here or here, so then it will be a short vowel. In both cases, we have to stress them. So these vowels, they are unstressed, and they would behave as a short vowel. Their sound would be short. Okay,
Mm. Okay.
unstressed vowel are always short vowels. So this is our exercise for pronunciation, a small exercise, and we will solve tomorrow another pronunciation exercise.